shower. That's made my eyes water. Hey there guys, how are we doing today? So today we are going to do a review on a face mask. So this is a budget face mask. It is from Home Bargains and it is the Unicorn moisturising peel off face mask. So I love trying new products and I love unicorns, so I thought this was a win-win situation. It retails at $1.99 and is by the company Skin Treats. This apparently gives you 10 applications, and I'm just really curious to see whether it'll do anything to my skin or if it's gonna make my skin feel more moisturised. Now, you'll have to excuse me because I've washed all my makeup off, I've got a nice clean face, I've not applied any moisturiser as of yet, so let's go in and see what it's like. So, I got my little ears on. I always use this when I'm doing my makeup or if I'm putting a face mask on now. This was $1.99 from eBay and I got it in grey because I just love Remy and I just thought it made me look like a mouse. So this has got, it's got like glitter and stars in it. Let's see if it'll show you on camera. It's got like glitter and stars inside it. I'm just gonna get my Jeffree Star mirror and I'm gonna apply it to the nose area. It smells, I can't really describe, that feels weird. It's like I can feel the foil of the stars. It's actually making my eyes water a little bit. That is weird. I can't imagine putting glitter on your face is a good idea. Oh my god, my eyes. Let's go in with some more. Come on, we can power through, we can get through this. It smells a little bit fruity. I don't think it says. Oh, it does say it is biodegradable star glitter, so that is good. We're okay with the saving the fishes. Pop it on that side. So I'm just gonna do this area of my nose because this is the area that tends to be the worst. I look like a lost boy with like my tribe pin when they go to the Indian camp. I'm gonna put a tiny bit on my forehead and a little bit on my chin. I'm just gonna use the monitor for this because I don't think it matters if it's perfect. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my forehead because. So it doesn't say how long to keep it on for, it just says keep until dry. I can still, like, I can start to feel it drying already. It does look very funky and that's a big glove blur. I imagine that if you were like a teenager and into unicorns, this would be very appealing. So I am gonna leave it until it's dry, I'm gonna keep checking on it and we will see what the results are like. Okay guys, so it has been 45 minutes. 5 minutes. And it still feels like it's still wet here. So I'm just gonna go with it and take it off because my face feels so tight. So, okay, that hurt already. So I'm just gonna get my mirror and start peeling the bottom bit off. Okay, so that came off pretty easy. Okay, let's try the forehead. I mean, it has come off in one piece. It's come off in one piece. That never happens. It doesn't look like it's took anything off with it. I will say though, it has left my skin quite soft. Let's try this bit. Do that a little bit. Try and loosen it up. I hate taking these off. Okay, it looks like it's coming away here, so let's peel from the bottom. Oh. Ah! Ow! That's made my eyes water. Oh my god, this is so painful. Ow! Ooh! Ah! Oh my god, that really hurts. It doesn't hurt on the nose. Oh. Ah. Ow. Ah. So I'm having to go in with a face wipe to get some of the residue off. And there's still glitter coming off, which is a bit concerning. I definitely think that side was my fault because I didn't leave it long enough, but 45 minutes for a mask. And I definitely think this is like aimed for younger kids. I don't know whether they're gonna want to wait 45 minutes. Maybe I put it on a little bit thick, but that hurt coming off, like really hurt. So I'm just gonna have a feel. I mean, it's took the oiliness away, and my skin definitely does feel soft, but I don't know whether it's ripped off my hairs out, and that's why it feels so smooth. I definitely think it's a little bit of a novelty item, and it does look fun. Definitely does look fun, and it's fun having it on, and you do sparkle, and I think if you were going to take selfies with it and everything, it would be a really good product. And for $1.99 it is really fun, but for me I won't be using this again. I think there are better products on the market that doesn't feel like they're ripping my face off. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. If there's anything you want me to review, pop me a comment down below, and I will see you very soon. Alright, love you, bye.